Barbers, are you struggling trying to build clientele or facing overwhelming fear trying to master your haircuts? Or just simply you're just burnt out cutting 20 clients a day? Follow me. I know what you're going through. I struggled too trying to master my haircuts when I first started. Guys, when I was in the garage, I was only charging $3 a haircut. No matter your age, male or female, I can show you guys how to elevate your career to the next level. Guys, I know what it's like. I can get you guys to escape the cheap clients, master your haircuts without fear and overwhelm, and join the new wave of social media barbers. I have this free training video for you guys below. Click the link. It's my gift to you. I want to see you guys on the inside. Guys, what are you doing? Click the link.